Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing the first part of a two-part series or mini-series that I'm going to be showing you this week. This first part is we're going to be redecorating a shelf. I've just got this shelf here that I want to give it a white lick of paint and just clean it up. I've had this for quite a few years, but I just want to make it look a little bit different. So the second part of this will be redecorating my bedroom, and I've got like this theme that I've got in my head that I want it to look like, and I just feel like if I painted this white it would suit it a lot more because the colour schemes are kind of like blue and white and purple, and so having the wall as blue and then having this as white, I feel like it would just look a bit better. The only thing is I do have a few other sort of cupboards and things that are sort of this kind of colour, but I'm gonna see if I can try and like paint it as well, but we'll see. But for this video I'm just gonna show you the process for this one. So let's get on with the video. I need to get rid of this sticker here, and there's a few other things I just need to clean first, and then I'll start with the painting. The next step is to sandpaper it. I've just got this K40 sandpaper, it's quite a rough one, and I'll just sandpaper it all the way around the outsides. I've got a mask, so just in case there's any dust or anything, but let's go. Now we're going to start painting it. So I've just got this sort of crate thing to put the paint in, and I've got these brushes, so we'll see which one works best. And I've got this big white paint, so let's go. I've now also taken off some of the knobs. Well, I've taken off one so far because I've ordered some new ones and I will be putting them in tomorrow. So let's go. Now I've taken them all off, I will paint over the holes because I should have done this in the first place, but I didn't. But this is a learning curve. This is the first time I've ever done any of this stuff, so let's go. I have got paint on my fingers, on my legs, but I am going to stop here for tonight. I've just kind of covered everything now with white. And maybe tomorrow I'll touch it up a little bit, add an extra layer, but I think for now I'm just going to stop. And I've ordered some extra blue knobs, or blue and white kind of knobs, that I'm going to put on there instead of the old ones. I first thought I might use them, but I'm not a huge fan. So yeah, I'm going to check in with you tomorrow when the knobs arrive and finish it all off then. See ya! So this is the progress we have so far, and it's now day 3 of the project. As you can see, I changed the doorknobs, so they are all done, and I've painted everything. So I just want to tidy it up and just, yeah, make it look a bit better. It's not the nicest day, so I do apologise for any sort of shadow. But yeah, so this is all I'm going to be doing. I ordered some of this white self-adhesive sort of sticky paper kind of thing, and I thought I'd just like line the insides with it, and so I've got like a tape measure to make sure it fits and a pencil to line it up. Thankfully there's like squares on the back, I don't know if you can see, so you can actually tell, like, cut in a straight line, which helps a lot. So hopefully this will fit all of the inside, but let's get on with that. see. I'll put in some of these white sheets to cover it. I did it all on the inside, and then I didn't put it there, but I did put it there. It's not perfect by any means, but I did get a little bit annoyed with it, to be honest, so I was just like, stuff it, that's it. And I kind of just finished it. It's got the white paint, the blue and white handles, or just blue there, but yeah. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe down below, and go check out some of my other videos as well. This one's a little bit different, but if you like some like beauty ones or fashion ones or just a few random other things as well, singing videos as well, then go check out my other videos. But for this one, this is the end. What a journey it's been. I have learnt a lot. This is the first time I've ever done this kind of thing, so I have learnt quite a bit. But anyway, it's been a lot of fun, apart from these sheets. These sheets were the most annoying part. But anyway, thank you for watching this video. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and see you next week for another video. Bye!